Good evening. The YMCA has been looking at bringing a facility to the Brazos Valley since last year, and tonight it appears it's becoming even more of a reality.
Yeah, a panel of leaders in Brazos County are working with the YMCA to bring not one but two facilities to the area. Ian Smith explains.
Right now, the area southeast of Baylor Scott and White Hospital is an empty field, but that may not be the case much longer.
In the future, I think you're going to see a YMCA coming up maybe 3 or 4 stories. All right, an L-shaped building.
Mooney says the YMCA of Greater Houston has had its eye on Bryan College Station for some time. The building would be paid in part by private donors. A second YMCA location at Blinn College is also being discussed.
It's still in the initial talks. There could be a potential fee paid for by the students at Blinn College to help pay for it, in addition to other fees charged to the community.
The YMCA at Blinn would also serve as the school's recreation center, and both locations would provide community services such as after-school programs. But what about the smaller venues that already provide these services? Luxuria Thibodeau teaches cheer classes at the Lincoln Center. She says she's in favor of bringing a YMCA to the area, but she does have a fear.
I feel like it would be horrible if they replaced the Lincoln Center completely, because like the people in the neighborhood here, they walk to the Lincoln Center. This is really a big source. It's kind of like a cornerstone for the community.
But those hoping to bring YMCA here say it would be an addition to places like the Lincoln Center, not a replacement.
Those places have really held their own, but the demand with the growth of our population has grown so much, all right, that now we're finding that there's a need for something more.
The YMCA Council plans to use focus groups to gather more data before official building plans will be drafted. In Bryan College Station, Ian Smith, KAGS, HD News.
Now, Carl Mooney says the discussion to bring YMCA facilities to the area started with the need of another natatorium for large swimming events.
Yeah, after more research and planning has been done, the YMCA of Greater Houston will decide whether or not to officially approve bringing the building here.